Hello guys, and welcome back to Noob on this channel. So today I will show you the latest update for AIMOGEN'S Pro, and because you guys voted the most the embedded chatbot on other sites using iframes but at the user level, so users could install a chatbot on their site and pay with their subscription credits. So this is what is implemented in the latest update of AIMETICS. So in this version you will find in the remote chatbot menu, so go to the AI chatbot menu of the plugin, and here go to the tab where you will see the remote chatbot. I already created some testing chatbots. Let's delete this to be sure that we see the same menu as you see. So in this update you will find the enable users to create remote chatbot instances. So be sure to enable this checkbox and save settings. And after you enable this, you will see this message: no user created remote chatbots found. Allow users to create their own remote chatbots on the front end. Okay, so I refreshed the page and added some detailed parameters about this shortcode. So you will be able to add this shortcode to your website's front end and allow users to create their own chatbots. So you will be able to use these parameters. So let me show this usage by default. So for this, let's create a new page. And in this new page, let's allow users to create chatbots. So let's say create remote chatbot and add the shortcode here, and let's publish this. Now let's go to this page, and here the users will have this button create chatbots and no chatbots created yet. So you can restrict the usage of this to user capabilities. So you can set user capabilities that will be able to use this feature. You can also set max instances, how many chatbots each user can create. So let's create a chatbot right now. And here it is. This is our chatbot. We can regenerate the embed key or delete it. So let's copy this embed key, and let's say I go to my own website now and I create a new post, and I will use this chatbot, testing the chatbot. Okay, and let's create a HTML Gutenberg block, paste the iframe code that we got and publish it. Now, to show that this will actually be on a different site, let's go incognito and go into this page, and here it is. Our chatbot is appearing. The chatbot's configuration is coming from the bot configuration. From here you can see the liturgar Maya config is set, and this is appearing also in this page. And note that I'm not logged in here. So this is actually a remote chatbot. In this incognito page I'm not logged into my site, and I can talk with this chatbot and it replies in the liturgar style. And now let me show you how you can restrict the usage for each user. So for this, go to limits and statistics menu, and you will see here the AI usage limits tab. And for example, you can create advanced based rule-based restrictions. So let's restrict the usage to only 1 token per day for all administrator users, so myself included because I'm an administrator here. And this means that if I go back to this chatbot, and note that this is incognito window, I should not be an administrator here. Let's see if it works. You have reached the usage limit. So it tells that, hey, you used up your credits. And I showed you the administrator user role as an example, but you can also use it in the Ultimate Membership Pro subscription plans. I already have the Ultimate Membership Pro installed, and you can see that I can select the subscription plans that I created: free, one-time plan, recurring plan, and this will work for Restrict Content Pro or Paid Memberships Pro. Also, similarly, you can do and select which plans you want to use and which plans you want to define the usage limits. You can create queries, tokens, price, upload PDF, and character count or page count. Okay, so you can see that you can restrict the usage for the plugin like this in the AI usage limits. So keep in mind, you can use the user remote AIMOGEN user remote chatbot shortcode, and based on it you will be able to allow users to define new chatbots and use them on their own website and consume their own credits as shown here. But keep in mind that the credit limits need to be defined in the AI usage limits, so each user level should have a credit limit defined. So for example, 100 queries for the free plan, 1000 queries, or you can set also a token based restriction for the one-time plan, and save settings and so on. You can create your rules like this. And because we set 100 queries for this, we can also probably, I did not do more than 100 queries today, and I should be able, yeah, it's working. I will be able to call the chatbot because I did not do more than 100 queries today. But if I set this to 5, and let's check if I have, yeah, it's also administrator, and don't check this. I surely did more than 5 queries to the chatbot, and yeah, it's reached usage limit now. Okay, so keep in mind, this is how you will be able to use the new feature of AIMOGEN Pro. Link in this video description. Go ahead guys and check it. If you have more ideas, suggestions, this is the Trello board. You will find the features that you can vote and you can suggest there. And yeah, this is all for today. I go back to work and do more awesome updates for AIMOGEN. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, it's really appreciated. And until next time, in the comments let me know if anything, if you have any idea. This is all. Bye bye.